Okay, so now we're going to be going through our topics, our three main topics. So my three main topics, you can see here that I'm on Business 2206 team session 4. So I have 29 existing topics and these 12 which are toggled on the toggle status. So on are the 12 that were included in the assignment. And let's start off with our first one, which would be order delay. So zoom out a bit. So you can see our trigger phrases here. So let me start with late order. As you can see, so sorry to hear that your order is delayed. So we're collecting our name using the variables. So let's say Milan. Order number, any number would work, 9999. Let's go text. Got it. So we have the two options, whether to go with text or email, and it continues to yes or no. Would you like to continue exploring our latest products? Yes. And then it gives me the GPU models, which is NVIDIA's GPU line. So let's go with the newest. And then it provides the specifications for the GPU of GeForce. So memory, etc., engine specifications. And you can see that it has all four options available for yes, no, and then two different models depending on which option we choose. If we selected no and said thank you for your information, we will follow up with an SMS or email very soon. And now we go to our next one, which is product inquiry. So let me refresh the bot. And you can see here we have 11 phrases. So this is about adding an item to the cart. So let's go CPU. So you can see the bot followed up to assist you better. Which type of laptop are we looking to purchase? What type of user? And I say I'm a home user. And then we have the product right for you. You can see that it recommends exactly which. So home user would be Book 4, gamer Book 4 Ultra, and business user would be Book 4 Pro. If you selected no, please refresh to return to the original menu options. So let's say, yes, I'd like to add to cart. It's been added to your cart. And then if we said no, that's too bad. So ultimately, this one is now also finished. And now this one, which I'd say is one of the better ones, refund request, basically is a little bit more interesting because it uses the flow function and it also has the rewiring. So each option you select, whether it's spirit, wine, or beer bundle, would connect you to the same question. So let's see our trigger phrases. We have 8 trigger phrases. So let's go with um, refund. Okay, so it's asking for our order number. So our order number, just like the other variables for name and email, city. So let's say 5898. Okay, great. Order 5898. For identity confirmation, could you please provide your name? Yes, so this is another variable function. So Milan. Great, Milan. Our system shows your recent purchases are the following. For which item would you like to request a refund? So these are the three. So it's alcohol purchaser. And let's say I want a refund for my beer bundle. Okay, what's our email address? It's Mickey98@gmail.com. Okay, we will follow up shortly with a refund request information and steps. Did that answer your question? Yes. 5 stars. Now, since it should be done correctly, if I go to the Excel document as we're using Flow, so it's generating the name and email responses into the table from the input in this conversation, as you can see right here. So if I go to the Flow, then since I've done it before, I might have 2, but yes, we have 3. So Milan Mickey 123, Milan Mickey at Gmail, and Milan Mickey 98@gmail.com. If you look at this table right here. And let's see if we can do one more. So that's the top 3, I'd say. But which other one would be Good. Store hours. Very simple one. I know there was one track order, or it could have been payment issue. Payment issue. Payment error. Card is rejected. Okay. Okay. So I mean, you're using the same variables. So city, name, money, etc. So I'd say they're about the same. Um, so that summarizes the three best chatbot conversations I've had out of these 12, but all of them are quite decent in their quality. And yeah, so it's Milan Acimovic, and thank you.